This demo is going to show OpenFaaS Edge, the commercial version of FASD licensed for redistribution, installed into an Oracle Linux VM. And this is a VM that I've only just started up, so it's completely fresh, and we're going to be using an RPM module. I'll switch over to the terminal, and you can see me just copy that into the VM. I'm now going to log into the VM, and we can see there's Oracle Linux server. Okay. Now I've got a couple of commands that are needed. In particular, we're just going to put a little bit of configuration into here, and name servers, and then we need a couple of packages. Now these could be bundled, but I decided it was better to get these from the DNF or the Yum repositories themselves. Don't need a special version of runc or IP tables, but they do need to be here. So these are getting downloaded and installed into the system. We're then going to install this. Okay, all looking good so far. And now we should have the FASD command. There it is. Now, as you know, for experimentation, for development, we've got a sponsor-based login. I'm just going to go through and do that now. And now I'm going to activate the installation. Finally, I'm going to run FASD install, which will install the unit files, the systemd unit files for FASD itself. And so you can see all the pro components are being pulled down, they're fully licensed. Prometheus is starting, Nats is starting, the OpenFaaS Pro Gateway, all starting up, the idler, and we're ready to serve traffic. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the login command. We're logged in, and we'll deploy a couple of functions. We'll do node info, and then we'll deploy env. Node info just show us something about the VM. Okay, so I've got 16 gigs of RAM, 4 cores, great. If we do a curl into env, this is useful for printing out things like HTTP headers. We put x equals 1. That will actually come through as a HTTP header as well into the results. Now, in OpenFaaS Pro, we also have the ability to describe these and get the RAM and CPU when it is available. So I don't think it's in this build, but we have a complete working system here. We've invoked the functions, we can set them to scale to 0, we have the Nats queue worker, the Pro Gateway, we can turn on structured logging if we want it. And that's it, installed. And if we want to uninstall it, again, we probably want to stop the services first, and then we can use the erase package, and that'll be gone. All right, let me know if you've got any questions.